Using SmartReach, users can efficiently organize their contacts with the prospect management features. In the Master Prospects tab, users can upload as many prospects and use it to manage their database. One can select prospects and do actions like assigning to a campaign, changing categories, changing the ownership of prospects, and a lot more. Apart from this, SmartReach has a robust filtering system. Users can create filters on the basis of various criteria. Filters can be applied based on a prospect's campaign activity, list name, prospect categories, or any other data fields. Users can even save the selected filters too.